only spot 2 women in the Bible.
Itigi megi madon mapi gitego maulu to timothy matego to tware Bible eta ene bi kwanya rio kikango wegelo gikongi.
We have 2 women called Sifua and Pua in the Bible, in the Old Testament.
Achiel kiloni Sifua and Fa.
They were nurses.
And
when Pharaoh saw that the children of Israel were growing in big numbers,
kano letino mati Israel guber kaya don onyobero kanya in large number,
then Pharaoh said, let's kill all the young children, all the women who are pregnant. We are going to, as long as the boy, we are going to kill them.
Tekno yiri no yit kila tena ube unyo enyola la tena ube mier kinek yiro wen sige wer mo giga.
Those nurses refused to listen to the command of the Pharaoh.
Mon yo kwero winyo twero ma kibot Pharaoh.
And that's how the nurses did not allow the abortion to kill the young children as Pharaoh had ordered. So nurses who are here, parents who are here, let's fight abortion. And we see the future of our children. Thank you very much. As I said, it's not my day. May God bless you so much as you celebrate Women's Day.